I woke up a little bit hungover, not gonna lie. I just gotta throw it out there. So I made the trading day a little bit unique. It's my birthday tomorrow, so you know, it is what it is. But was able to still take a few different trades. We're gonna go ahead and recap those right now. They're all from the live stream. If you didn't know, you can come watch the live streams every day at Market Open over on my main channel, Trades by Matt. But in the meantime, make sure you subscribe to this one, my Trades by Matt recaps, and I hope you enjoy these live stream recaps because they come out every day. We're gonna go and dive into it right now. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Good morning. Happy Friday. Me and Julia had a little bit of a night last night. We did like a little birthday dinner for me. And I wouldn't say I am not hungover. All right, so I'm eating Chick-fil-A. You can judge. It's fine. But I'm going to enjoy it. And we're going to talk about the markets. So we did it was called Sushi Bar. And it was a 19-course sushi meal experience. And they gave us 6 very fat glasses of wine with it, and it just, I don't know, man, it went crazy for me. I'm not a spring chicken anymore, clearly. You were overserved. Yeah, I mean, 100% was not my fault. I can tell you that. It was not my fault in the slightest. I was just overserved. Okay, we had PPI come out at 7:30. PPI came out. We got Fed Kashkari speaking 9 o'clock, and some earnings stuff at 10 or 11, it looks like. I took a little short off PPI. I wanted to get to 50, but I didn't want to wait. So I took it for 8 points or whatever that is, 9 points. And it kind of ripped since then. Markets are opening right now. Right now. We're going to be pushing yesterday's high here pretty soon, right? Oh, no. It was 40s, right? 50s, 60. Damn, I didn't think it was that high. All right, we're at 17K. The tilt was tilting earlier. Let's see if it still is. 70% long on the Nas. Are you gonna be streaming every weekday for the foreseeable future? Yeah. In fact, I'm gonna be doing an all-day stream on Wednesday and Thursday of next week. For sure Wednesday. I think Thursday as well. All day. Here on the channel. First time ever. Actually, I might have done it one other time when I put myself in a really bad situation. I made all my money back. But yeah, we're gonna do an all-day stream. Update on Robbins. I'm up like 51, 52%, something like that. Look at Crude. Let's see it. Oh, there's the value area low test at 27. I don't know. I kind of like VWAP. I will actually I'll keep it on for VWAP. All right, I might actually get filled on Crude. I'm gonna watch it here. Oh, there we go. I am long on crude oil. We do got some size down below though, so I gotta be cuidado. I'm watching for like 30 to 40 basically would be pretty ideal to me. Middle of the range, like 42, point control, somewhere right around there would be like a very ideal looking trade to me. What'd you see in that crude entry? VWAP. VWAP, about 50% of the move to the retrace as well. Downside is the fact that we got like block every 5 ticks, and I don't know what they're gonna do with that. How do you journal your trades in Excel or some kind of app? Well, Sierra Chart's got all the good analytics already built in. I've messed around with TradeZella before. I've used Excel for forever. But since I use Sierra Chart, I really just like open up Sierra Chart. Thank you. Kind of pulling back pretty nicely. Holy. Y'all didn't say the Nas was just dumping into the 50s? Dude, I might scratch this for some opportunity cost. Y'all did not tell me the Nas was just dumping. Right off hedge pressure too at 50, huh? All right, scratching that. What is that? $100 maybe? 80 bucks, $100. There's just too much movement over here that I'm interested in. Let me see how much this actually was. 16 to 8. Yeah, 90 bucks maybe. 100 bucks. I don't know. Somewhere right around there. But I am interested in this area pretty significantly. Yes, just pointing control, hedge pressure, etc. $80. Okay, there you go. I lost $80. I couldn't do the math. Math in public is tough. And if you don't sell this, I'm not interested in selling this right now, actually. Much more interested in potential little long pickup, actually. Personally. I mean, we could end up fully retracing PPI, right? This is the PPI candle. 907, 908. Whatever that is, 900. Totally possible. There's the crude continuation dump. That's good. Down to the 74s. Swept it, actually. I was thinking about pulling this up, too, into the bottom of that range, but I didn't want to. Felt a little too tight. But there's the push. This is what I wanted to see. I just missed it by a few points. Why did you want to see this, Matt? Well, it's yesterday's pointing control. It's hedge pressure from Rocket Scooter. It's just a great level. It's this nice psych level as well. It's a good push right into yesterday's value high. I mean, all of it just makes sense on the price action. It's a good 30 points. Just missed it. Here's the 80s. We still have some sellers though. At this point, it feels like VWAP probably gets traded again. I'm gonna go ahead and get long here. I like the bounce off VWAP. I just wanted to see a little bit of continuation out of it. We continue to flush. Kill it. A little bit of sellers here. Is it enough? That is the question. 62% short on the Nas right now. 59% short on crude. 52% short on the ES. Here's 50 again. Wish I would have grabbed that 50 buy. Full retrace. 50 points up, 50 points down. Nice. In 2 candles. Real nice. I'm kind of shocked pointing control hasn't flipped down here yet. Back to VWAP. It's chopping 12 points here. A little bit of buyers trying to step up. Candle's closing right now. Just barcoding last 3 candles. Quick sweep to the downside. Still hanging at VWAP. Blue line algo, strong. Fires look good though. I'll actually look for the test of the prior open. Projecting yesterday's value high. Pretty spaced out blocks. Back into VWAP. Blue line algo. It is the worst meme of all time. It's the worst realist meme of all time. Something you never want, but it's so freaking accurate. Blue line algo is just nutty. A little slaps. Hello, Ligma. Crude is hanging out 73.90s. 74% short on the Nas right now. What's the blue line algo? Your average entry price. For me, my trade right now is I got long at 74.5, and it just gets rejected. It's just kind of a joke. The strongest resistance of all time will always be like where you entered long at. All right, this is kind of heavy. Unfortunate too, because I like this level and I like the well, now it's getting kind of heavy through. It's just so slidey. Very slidey down here. And I still like the 50s. And it's technically still a Ligma. But with slidey comes dangerous. I mean, 1, 2, 3. Working on like we're like 3.5 minutes in, and it's a 50-point slap, 40-point slap. Stuff is just moving still, moving and grooving. Back above 50. Back above 50. I'm chilling. But it's got to hold it. That was a brand new candle. Also, I just realized kind of sweep to the top side. Might yield some continuation down. Let's see. Slowly retracing PPI, huh? We're at the 50% mark still. Holding 50 still. We're going to test VWAP again in yesterday's close. Settlement. The 1 minute chart. Meme line could probably be drawn here. Fires look all right. I'm down, what, 15 points? Something like that. I just want to see how we respond out of 50. That's the problem. Hunter block at 50 now. $50 and $40? $50 and $43 both got hundreds there. And then it got split up to the top side. Now with the normal algorithm going every 10 points. Fascinating. I think we're going to retest the pre-market low. That would be like PPI lows. Is that what you're talking about? Oh, overnight lows, 850s, 865, whatever that is. I mean, it's 90 points. Definitely possible. Nothing is not impossible. Still just holding the bottom of this range. 50. As pressure is the magnet. $60's been kind of lying in the sand the last just couple minutes, 5 minutes. A minute left on this candle. All right, into yesterday's close again. We're flat on the session. We got 53% short on the Nasdaq tilt, 53% short on the ES tilt, 70% long on the crude oil tilt. We trade gold, 65% short. Back to VWAP. There it is officially. Buyers. 10 seconds left on this candle. See how we close out. Pretty choppy. Choppy. I mean, it's like 30-point rips. 30-point chop. A lot of buyers coming back through. Blue line algo. To whoever was asking about that. What's up, Mr. Matt? Good to see you, man. And now we got some sellers coming back through off of the blue line algo. You watching the stream? Shorten the blue line algo rejections. Good idea. If you had added at 50, blue line algo would have been better. Yeah, unfortunately, I can't add on this account, though. That's the kicker. I'm currently only at, what? $14,930 on it. Was at $15,160 or something like that. And I need, what is it? I think I need 18 grand to have 2 contracts on this account. This Robbins account. I really wanted us to hold 60 there. Still are, it's close, but I actually did short there, Matt, for a scalp, so we are hedged. I'm so happy that you're splitting your profits with me, Gary, so that we are hedged. That makes it so much more fun. Any potential meetups? Yeah, maybe. I want to. Actually, yes, I do want to do a meetup this year. I don't know what it's going to look like or when it will be. I haven't really thought that far ahead yet, but I would love to. There's the point of control flip. Simon, you were right. Crude dumping. 73.80s now. Well, it looks like IB is set. 35 and a quarter. And 42 and a half with yesterday's IB high. Pretty interesting. How that all worked out. And now we're just chopping VWAP. Insert balance meme. Yeah, I mean, honestly. The blue line algo is truly putting up a true performance today. Which just means that as soon as I kill this trade break even, it is going to rip face. It's just, am I willing to do that for y'all? Is the real question, you know? Do I really want to take this trade off break even so that it'll rip face for y'all? I don't know. Would you have added if this wasn't the Robbins account? Yeah, I would have added 50. The cleaner way is obviously should have just had that resting order just resting at 54. Would have been happy with that. That or when you ended the stream, all right? All right, market makers, I'm taking this break even. Here I go. Here's my break even. I'm doing it now. All right, taking the trade off break even now. This is for you, market makers. I'm taking it off now. You know, actually, I'm gonna take my $200. Lost 100 bucks. We lost 80 bucks on Crude. Made 200 bucks there. I'm up 120 bucks for a lot of time and drawdown. It's not worth it. Should have just gotten in at 50, which was worth it. The 50 buy was totally worth it. Even off the 15-point sweep into 35, the 50 buy was totally worth it. I wanted the 50 buy all day. Didn't get the 50 buy. Oh, a little wick test, huh? Wick test right at VWAP. Ooh. I don't know if I like that, but I can't not take it. And I missed it. Literally, it just happened. Actually, do a bracket. Risky. But I've got to take the wick test when I see it. I like it. Like it too much. All right. I'm risking $400 to make $400 basically. All of this is risky. It's true. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. See what Delta's doing. I mean, Delta doesn't look fantastic either. Oh, boys. Fiddle the diddle in the middle on the wick test? Absolutely it is. Absolutely. I've right at point of control and VWAP. I mean, come on. Total diddle in the middle. Market makers don't let the wick test hit during live streams? I don't know, man. What was it? 2 days ago? 3 days ago? There was like 12 wick tests and they all hit during the live stream. The wick tests on crude oil do not hit on the live stream. I've tried it like 3 or 4 times and they do not work, but you know, whatever. Interesting. I love that test of the prior open. Do it, Nasdaq. Do it. You know you want to. Just one time for Gary. Just one time for Gary. Just one time. One time. Let's go. Woo. That's what you like to see. Ooh, the wick test, man. Just get you a little titillated, honestly. Wow. Exclamation point TPH. if you want Gary's beautiful wick test indicator, exclamation point TPH. It can be yours for like less than $10 a month, I think. Okay, use code NEWYEAR24, all caps, exclamation point TPH. It's on sale till Monday, and then it's done. Dunzo. 24% off.